Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the object or joint you want to analyze and immediately create a motion trail. This gives you geometry-based feedback. Once created, make sure the trail covers the relevant timeline range and set step size to a visible interval like 1 frame so you see shape between keys. You do this because finer steps reveal timing and spacing, while larger steps simplify the arc. While you work, keep the channel box visible so you can toggle visibility and lock transforms quickly. Once the trail is visible, refine what you see by changing color, opacity, and length in the motion trail options so different objects or passes don't visually conflict. Then inspect the tangent handles and key indicators along the trail to understand acceleration and spacing. You do this to judge ease-ins and ease-outs. If you need precise control, add locators to critical trail points and bake keys to convert the visual trail into editable keyframes, which locks your adjustments into the timeline. To finalize, bake the motion once the trail matches your intended arcs and timing, then remove temporary trails to reduce scene clutter. You should also compare trails from different animation layers or passes to ensure consistent spacing and weight. This helps when matching shots. If something looks wrong, first reset transforms and rebuild history, then increase trail resolution to reveal hidden issues. You do that because subtle timing problems can vanish at low resolution, but become obvious when you step through frames more finely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.